In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a landscape diagram with SmartDraw. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to refine your skills, this guide will take you step by step through the process of creating a vibrant landscape plan using the powerful tools offered by SmartDraw, a versatile and user-friendly design software. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to SmartDraw's official site. It's essential that you're on the right platform to ensure you have access to all its features. Once you arrive, the next step is to click on New Document. This choice initiates your creative journey, opening the door to numerous design possibilities that SmartDraw offers. After selecting New Document, your screen will present you with a variety of options. For our purposes today, choose Landscape Design. Here, SmartDraw provides curated templates specifically crafted for designing landscapes, aiding you in creating a plan with both technical precision and creative flair. Browse through the templates and select one that resonates with your vision. When you find a suitable option, click Open Example. This action brings up a ready-to-use canvas, featuring elements that you can customize according to your needs. This provides a great starting point, particularly if you're unsure about where to begin. On the right side of your screen, you'll find a range of tools on the side panel. These tools are indispensable for crafting your landscape design. Spend a few moments familiarizing yourself with them, as they will allow you to add various elements, modify existing ones, and ultimately bring your vision to life. For example, if your design includes adding structures, you can easily incorporate walls by selecting the respective option. Simply click Add Wall and position it as desired on your canvas. Similarly, if you need an opening in your structure to denote a doorway or archway, use the Add Wall Opening tool to make that alteration. To fine-tune your document setup, locate and click Document Setup. This feature gives you the flexibility to adjust sizes and scales, ensuring your design is accurate and practical. Additionally, you might need to make specific adjustments to walls, like height or thickness. Click on Adjust Wall, then customize it to meet your precise specifications. Once your basic structure is set, consider adding dimensions and calculating areas. This ensures your design is not only visually appealing, but also functional and efficient. Such features are crucial if your landscape diagram translates into real-world implementation, helping avoid potential measurement errors. Lastly, enhance your landscape's aesthetic appeal and practicality by incorporating symbols. These can represent different elements such as plants, pathways, or water features, making your design both comprehensive and visually engaging. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to export your final product. Exporting options allow you to save your work in various formats, making it easy to share or print for future reference. With these guidance steps, you are now equipped to create compelling and accurate landscape diagrams that reflect your unique vision using SmartDraw. Happy designing!